The Huawei Nova 13 Pro is designed for users who want a premium-looking smartphone experience without paying flagship-level prices. It stands out with a sleek modern design and a large 6.7-inch OLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep contrast, and smooth refresh rates, making it ideal for social media browsing, video streaming, and everyday interaction. Powering the device is Huawei's Kirin chipset, which is optimized for efficiency and stable performance, allowing smooth multitasking and reliable daily operation without unnecessary battery drain. One of the strongest highlights of the Nova 13 Pro is its camera system, particularly its front-facing cameras, as the Nova series continues to prioritize selfies and portrait photography. Advanced AI beauty features enhance facial details naturally, making it especially appealing to content creators and users who enjoy high-quality self-portraits and video calls. The rear camera setup also supports well-balanced photography suitable for daily moments. Battery performance is solid, easily lasting through a full day of typical use, and fast charging ensures users can quickly recharge and stay connected without long waiting times. Overall, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro targets style-conscious users who value strong camera capabilities, a high-quality display, and modern design. It is best suited for those seeking a fashionable and capable Huawei smartphone that delivers a premium feel while remaining more affordable than true flagship devices.